days. Just because we are friends, it just doesn't mean that you must disrespect the president. Say congratulations first. Or else we're gonna have a problem.
Congratulations, Mr. President!
Well, my friend, you see, we are verified nicely, very nicely. Now we do it very nicely.
Mr. President, tell them if they're not verified, they must leave this live. Leave the live!
Hey! What car you driving today? Yeah, but your M4 is nice. It's just expensive, man. My BM is more beautiful than your M4. Obvious. M4 is just it's the silver and then it's just wheels. Mine is yellow. You can see from the distance. Let's say me and you we are coming from a distance. Who they're gonna notice?
But they're gonna hear me first.
That's true, though. Yes, that's true.
Congratulations, congratulations
for that.
on your verification, Mr. President.
Obvious, my friend. Obvious. I need to start driving cars wearing glasses. Imagine verified. You're gonna see people like they are white. You must wear glasses.
So, Mr. President, how did you get verified?
Okay. Nice question with the nice answer.
Yeah.
How did I get verified? Now, Mark Zuckerberg, he said people who are important in life, they must be verified. That's the next question. So he said, he sent me a personal email on my email address. He's like, President, I'm gonna get you verified, but do you mind if I can start with other people to sing? I said, no, I don't mind. So he said, he started with you. He started with some. Then he came to me. He said, okay, let's verify you now. It's working. I said, no problem. That's all.
The owner of
personal email. Not just Meta only. Meta it means YouTube or not
Facebook,
YouTube.
Instagram,
I mean like Instagram and Facebook. And WhatsApp. Yeah. So me and him we've been having this kind of conversation for so that's how I got verified.
Nah, congratulations, Mr. President. Salute.
How did you get verified?
I applied through Instagram. So you send 3 thingy, right? You have to prove that you're notable. So you send them 3 articles and like articles about you, and then they verify it.
Yeah, 8 articles. Okay, sure. Yeah. Then they verify you. That's how it is.
But now,
Ghost, wait. I want to go to my smart TV and to play music. Just wait.
What's good, beautiful people? How you guys doing, man? How you guys?
No, it's not boring. Let me answer that one. It's not. He's a good guy. Okay, Ghost, let me tell you something. You know, I'm glad that at least right now we talk very well without me verified. You know the president. You know you don't mess up with the president.
You can't.
Clear. Very, very well. You can't mess with the president because you know very well the president is a very good president.
Yeah.
Okay, so are you alone?
I'm not alone. I'm not alone, Mr. President. Yeah.
Okay, I get you. Is it that what I'm thinking?
Bye-bye, Mr. President. Ciao.
Baba, Ghost, giving the pairing. Let's move on right now. Okay, guys, fuck that shit. Let's move on. We got Ghost here. Then Ghost is a very nice guy. We really appreciate him coming to our life. He's a good person. Guys, my friend Troy, Troy, you are right. Troy, you and Ghost Hlubi and me, Troy, actually. Troy, you invite me to this salon. I don't go to the salon. And then when I go to the salon, if you have an issue with me, let's give it. Let's settle it. You see? But they hate, but they're broke.
What's going on, President?
Listen, man. Let me sing. Keep quiet. Let me sing first. Listen. But they hate, but they're broke. Every time I move, they are like, oh, when I hate, but they broke. Listen to this. It's not me. It's the natural, but they hate, but they broke. Every time I'm telling they are broke. What am I, but they sweetie? Oh, but they hate, but they broke. Every time I keep quiet, wait. Nice team on a solo. Nice team. Nice team. No. Say no.
What's going on, President? I can see you're verified, my President.
Before you are before leadership, my boy. It's my boy.
What's going on, President? Are you good?
Listen, I said I'm verified before everyone. Leadership is my brother, Ed is my boy. You know, before you, before he knew you, leadership, I used to talk to him, give him advice about life. So I'm verified right now. I can say what I want to say.
You're verified. You have all the power. You're relevant.
Power,
On
not too much
Instagram, you're relevant,
too much
my
money.
President. You're relevant.
Very relevant. Even
Mark Zuckerberg knows President. Mark Zuckerberg knows the President. But President, the name. Why did you change your name?
Listen to this. Listen to this. My cousin, she can. Yes, she was verified, but my cousin is not like Nane. The fact you was verified before me doesn't mean that I'm not. I was famous and rich before my cousin.
Way before.
And then she got verified. And then Master K, she is my friend. It's on speed, guys.
But President, you said we're gonna go out when? No, not
I don't go to clubs.
Like
I don't have money to waste.
Like land.
No, my bro. Listen to this. No. Wait, who? Who's paying?
Me.
Who's paying for lunch? No, I'm fine.
Okay,
I don't want
to pay.
Hey, this girl I'm gonna block you. Fuck you, Ziana. Sis. Fuck you. I said you come. This and this, you come here.
Who's that?
You. I'm removing you to my life. That girl, fucking. Some girls here. Friend of Lisa. Lisa's best. She was studying with Lisa at the same school. Mara says the girls to come and open her legs and let me come inside here. And then she said Lisa's a friend.
But President, your body count shocks me. Your body count.
Listen, this girl. So Lisa was going to a school for girls, and then this girl she was studying with Lisa on the same grade. She still comes here, but she was nice, huh? Well, I'll remove her. Okay.
But
what the
President, you are verified. They must not.
Yeah, I'm verified. That you can't. Even if I get so drunk today, I sleep. I won't wake up my blue tick.
Yeah,
it's not good.
They must not ruin your weekend.
Hey, what for? Oh, before this, I want to show the people the truth. Listen, me, if you see me driving in I-10 while I'm verified, well, Mark Zuckerberg may take his things. Listen to this. I don't give a shit or what. I rather armor my BMW 3 Series E90 that is cash. Nobody
Why
can
did
tell
they ask you about your cars? You ask them about their father.
No, but not even Mukonza. No, but not even Mukonza. You hate people because they have their shit. I don't qualify driving that I-10 anymore.
My President, every time they ask you about your cars, you must ask them where's their father. You don't ask them where's your father.
Bro, I'm very young. I'm just trying I'm trying to be good. I'm not successful yet. I am just trying. At my age, 23 years old. Woo! 23.
But President, I came to say hi.
My friend, listen.
To check up on you. It's been a while.
No problem. Leave. You're not verified.
Yo.
When you verify, they give you free
President,
data.
I'm getting verified today. Yeah.
There's some people who hate me, At this day, I won't even give a shit. Bro, my friend, when I went to the bank today, this other lady is like, at Absa. I want to Absa to open a new bank account. Ne? They say this at Absa. Ne? They say to me, hey, you know, just dress with my Gucci flops because I was busy. It's like, the lady was finished. It's like, okay, hey, you're such a nice guy. Ne? What stuff. Let's go. So I went to my car to fetch something. It's like, is that your car? I said, yes. It's like, oh, we're going to invite you here to promote our stuff. To promote people who want to do finances. You understand? You understand? For finance. Anytime on your finance, they want to use my yellow BMW.
Yeah.
Oh, I was so humbled. That was it. Why was I supposed to go to me because you verify it? Because everyone has an M4. We know how much is an M4. We know what to pay M4. I'm about to go to me about 4G because we know 4G how M4 was bought and we know how much he pays for it. You know, we know that he is from a. Oh my! I don't want to go deep in this. Leave that. So why me? You know, I'm just me. You can't hate me. You can't try to make my face. You can't.
You're just a black boy.
Why?
You're just a black,
it's a nice
black boy. Try.
No, go to me, my friend. I love you. Go to me. Okay, if you don't love me, if you say then I'm gonna stop watching your videos. Simple things. Troy, let's stop watching Go to these videos if he doesn't say this. And Go to is verified. He doesn't. Okay, if Troy said this is fine. Okay, Silo, excuse me. Let's try to add Ghost to me. Excuse me. Sure. This Ghost, what? You need to respect the country because you don't